Hello and welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to sign a PDF document with a very free tool called the ilovepdf. So we can have our letter and we can sign it directly within the document, within the platform. So to access ilovepdf, all you need is to open your browser, come anywhere and just type in ilovepdf, just like so, and you can hit on enter and it's brought in over to this platform. You can see there are so many platforms that you can join and do other things, different features. But today our main concern is the sign PDF. Sign yourself or request electronic signatures from others. So we're going to go with this. By just clicking here, it will bring us over here and you are now asked to bring in the document that you want to find. So you can either drag and drop or you can select within your system, or you can alternatively bring in the files from any of these drives, either the Google Drive or the Dropbox. So for this example, I'm going to go with open from the system files. So I can click, navigate to where I have the document. For example, in this case, I have the document here, this sample letter. I can just bring it in, and then you have the option to define who will sign. Is it only me sign this document, or several people? Invite others to sign as well. So you can invite people collaboratively to work on the same document. As you sign, they can also co-sign within the same document. Now I say only me in this case because I'm the only one that is going to sign. Now you can put your full name and initials over here. Okay, how you want to define the signature. So for example, I'm going to use my full name as Dr. A.S. Abdurrashid. Yeah, let's say I use this. My initials is going to be, I will remove this. So I can remove this and make only this. So the signature, how do you want it? If you want it to be something like this, any of them, you can use any of them if you're interested. Do you want any of them? I think I don't want anyone at this point. You can see multiple of them as you scroll down. Now, if you don't want any of these, you can sign on your own. You can select anyone. If any one of them entices you or is what you like, you can easily select and it becomes your signature. Now over here, you can come over to this and you can draw the signature on your own. Draw from a mobile device if you want to draw from your mobile device using this QR code and it will reflect on this. Alternatively, you can just on your own draw it from here. So for example, I have a very simple signature, something like this, and this is my signature. Now if this is what you want, you like it like this, you can go ahead and accept this and apply. If you don't like it like this, you can always delete and you can rewrite again. You can select the color from here. If you want to sign with blue, I prefer blue, so let's go something like this and let me make it a bit simpler. All right, so I said this is my signature, and if you are comfortable with this, you can go ahead and hit on apply. Now if you want to use your initials, you can use your initials if you are interested in using initials, or if you want to add stamp, you can upload the stamp directly from here and you can add the same stamp to your document. Okay, so accepted formats are only PNG, JPEG and SVG. For this tutorial, I don't want to add any stamp, so we can just go ahead and use only signature, and this one is okay for me. I'm happy with what I already have here, so I can just go ahead and say apply. And this is now applied within the document. So all I need is to drag and drop the signature fields onto the document that I'm trying to sign. So let's say I'm going to sign here. Now I'm forgetting this signature. So you can see any one of them. Optional fields is the initials, if this is what you want. Required fields, this is what you have. Okay, so you can go ahead and see this is company stamp. If you have added it, you will see it. If it's a normal text or date, you can easily add directly. These are optional things that you want. You want to add your name, you can type it on your own. So let's say I want to add my name here and the signature and then the date. Okay, so let's say name. You can see it has just written my name, Dr. A.S. Abdurrashid, and then you can add the signature up here. Okay, click and then you can just drag it and move it here. I think this is okay. Then maybe I need a date over here. So 7/7 is correct. I can just put it beneath my name over here. So something like this, you get the message. If you have any other text that you want, or you want to put in something, company stamp, you can just easily drag and drop it and just paste it here. So this is very simple. You just add the signature, and once you're done, you're signed, you like what you see, and you're comfortable with this, you can always click on any of them and move it accordingly. You can see very easily, and you can click to edit the signature or something and be brought back to this same platform where you typed the document. Now for this tutorial, I'm happy with what I have, so I can just go ahead and click on sign. And you can see this task has been processed successfully. So you just wait for some second and your download is starting here. You can see it's been downloaded. You can just click, you can open the document, and you'll be able to see your signature comfortably down here. So this concludes this tutorial about how to add signature into your PDF document. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.